To add money to your Revolut virtual card, start by opening the Revolut app on your device. Once you have logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account balance and available cards. Select the virtual card you want to add money to and click on the Add Money option. You will be presented with several payment methods, including bank transfer, credit or debit card, and other local payment options. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. For example, if you choose to add money via bank transfer, you will be provided with Revolut's bank account details. You can then use these details to initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Revolut account. Alternatively, if you choose to add money using a credit or debit card, you will be prompted to enter your card details and confirm the transaction. Once you have completed the payment process, the funds will be added to your Revolut virtual card and you can start using them to make purchases or transfer money to other accounts. It is essential to note that some payment methods may have associated fees or limits, so it is crucial to review the terms and conditions before adding money to your virtual card. To avoid any issues, ensure that your Revolut account is verified and your payment method is valid. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and any potential fees when adding money to your virtual card. By following these steps, you can easily add money to your Revolut virtual card and enjoy the benefits of using a digital banking platform.